Introduction of trigonometry. Here we discuss with a right angle triangle. So here triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Here triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is right angle triangle. At B 90 degrees. Angle B equal 90 degrees. So 90 degrees opposite of 90 degrees. Opposite of 90 degrees side is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse opposite of 90 degrees side is called hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So here I take one angle, angle A. Here angle A with respect to this is opposite side. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. With respect to angle A, this is opposite side. This is adjacent side. With respect to A. Consider any one angle. Here I consider angle A. Angle A opposite side, this one BC. So adjacent side AB here. Okay. In this trigonometry, here 6 measurements. There is a 6 measurements. Sine, cosine, sine, sine, cosine, tangent, tangent, cotangent, cotangent, cosecant, cosecant, secant. So there is a 6 ratios. There is a 6 ratios. First one is sine, second one cosine, tangent, cotangent, cosine, cosine, secant, cosecant, secant. Here 6 measurements. So what is the definition of sine? Here definition. Sine definition is the ratio of opposite side to hypotenuse. The ratio of opposite. Sine definition is opposite side to hypotenuse. So sine definition is opposite side to the ratio of opposite side to hypotenuse. So that is the sine definition. Cosine definition is adjacent side, the ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. The ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. So these two by heart. So if you know these two, remaining 6 measurements you can say easily answer. So tangent is opposite side to the ratio of opposite side to adjacent side. Next, cotangent, this reverse, tangent reverse, adjacent side to opposite side. Cosecant, so this is sine reverse, hypotenuse to opposite side. Ratio of hypotenuse to opposite side. Secant definition is the inverse of cosine. So here hypotenuse to adjacent. This is the definitions for this ratios. Sine definition, the ratio of opposite side to hypotenuse. Cosine, the ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. Tangent, opposite, the ratio of opposite side to adjacent side. Cotangent, the ratio of adjacent side to opposite side. Cosecant, the ratio of hypotenuse to opposite side. Secant, the ratio of hypotenuse to adjacent side. So these 6 ratios. Okay. Here sine form is sine short form is sin, sine, cos, tan. Short forms cot, cosecant, CSC, secant. So here sec. These are short forms for the sine is sin, cosine is cos, tangent is tan, cotangent cot, secant, CSC, cosec, secant, sec. So these are short form. with respect here, I use this diagram for here with respect to a sine a formula here sine a formula sine definition opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. This is the sine A formula. Next one, cos A. Cosine formula, adjacent side by hypotenuse. That means adjacent is AB, hypotenuse AC. Next, tan A. Cotan, tangent. Tangent formula, opposite by adjacent. Here opposite is BC by AB. Next, cot formula, reciprocal of tan. That means adjacent by opposite side, AB by BC. Next, cosec A formula, here cosecant means cosec. Here cosec formula, reciprocal of sine. That means AC by BC. AC means here hypotenuse by BC. Here opposite side. Secant A formula, cosine of reciprocal. That means here cosine reciprocal means here adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is AC by AB with respect to angle A. So these formulas I write here. These three formulas are with respect to angle A. Okay, these are. So observe in this picture here. I write whole picture here formulas also. Now check this formula. So in this diagram, so I explain what is the explain. Once observe whole one. Here sin A formula, sin B formula. So sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, cosecant A, secant A, formulas given, explanation are given. Once read this table, this total, observe.